The year is 2025. The Catholic Church, a 2,000-year-old institution, has a new leader. He is not from the familiar Italian lineage. He is not a cardinal steeped in Vatican politics. He is Pope Leo XIV, formerly known as Robert Francis Prevost, an American from Chicago. His journey to the papacy is an unconventional one, marked by humility, service, and a deep understanding of the global church. Robert Francis Prevost was born in 1955 in Chicago, Illinois. He grew up in a devout Catholic family with French, Italian, and Spanish roots. His upbringing instilled in him a strong work ethic, a commitment to social justice, and a deep love for the church. Young Robert's life was far from the gilded halls of the Vatican. He was a boy from a middle-class neighborhood, attending Catholic schools and serving as an altar boy in his local parish. Prevost's path to the priesthood was not a straight line. He initially pursued a degree in mathematics and philosophy at Villanova University. It was during these formative years that he felt a different kind of calling. He was drawn to the Augustinian order, known for its commitment to intellectual rigor, community life, and service to the poor. In 1977, he entered the Augustinian order. He embraced the rigorous academic life, delving into theology, philosophy, and languages. He was ordained a priest in 1982, ready to embark on a life dedicated to God and his community. Prevost's life took a significant turn in 1985. He was sent to Peru, a country grappling with poverty, social unrest, and political instability. He immersed himself in the lives of the Peruvian people, learning their language, customs, and struggles. He served in impoverished communities, working alongside the marginalized and advocating for social justice. His time in Peru profoundly shaped his worldview. He witnessed firsthand the challenges faced by the church in developing nations. He developed a deep empathy for the poor and marginalized, and a strong belief in the church's role as a force for social change. Prevost's dedication and leadership qualities did not go unnoticed. Within the Augustinian order, he steadily took on positions of greater responsibility. He served as the prior of several communities, demonstrating his ability to lead and inspire others. In 1999, he was elected provincial superior of the Midwest Augustinians, overseeing numerous parishes and ministries. His leadership extended beyond the U.S. borders. In 2001, he was elected prior general of the entire Augustinian order, a testament to his global reputation and the trust placed in him by his fellow Augustinians. He was re-elected to this position in 2007, further solidifying his leadership within the order. In 2014, Pope Francis appointed Prevost as the Apostolic Administrator of Chiclayo, Peru. This marked his return to the country that had so profoundly impacted him. A year later, he was appointed Bishop of Chiclayo, assuming pastoral responsibility for this large and diverse diocese. He returned to the familiar streets and villages, now as a shepherd guiding his flock. His time as Bishop of Chiclayo further cemented his reputation as a compassionate leader. He focused on pastoral care, social justice initiatives, and the formation of priests. He continued to live a simple life, close to the people he served. In 2020, Pope Francis called Bishop Prevost back to Rome. He was appointed as a member of the Dicastery for Bishops, a powerful Vatican department responsible for vetting and recommending candidates for bishops around the world. This appointment was a clear indication of the Pope's trust in Prevost's judgment and his vision for the future of the Church. His work within the Dicastery for Bishops was marked by his collaborative approach and his commitment to finding candidates who reflected the diversity and pastoral needs of the global Church. He emphasized the importance of listening to local churches and involving them in the selection process. Prevost's rise within the Vatican coincided with a time of intense internal debate and polarization within the Church. He emerged as a bridge builder, respected by both conservatives and reformers. His ability to listen, to find common ground, and to build consensus made him a valuable asset in the often turbulent waters of Vatican politics. In 2023, in a move that surprised many, Pope Francis appointed Prevost as the prefect of the Dicastery for Bishops. This made him one of the most powerful figures in the Vatican, responsible for shaping the future leadership of the Catholic Church. The election of Robert Francis Prevost as Pope Leo XIV in 2025 sent shockwaves throughout the Catholic world. The first American pope and the first from the Augustinian order, his election signaled a desire for change and a recognition of the global nature of the Church. Pope Leo XIV brings to the papacy a unique set of experiences and perspectives. His Midwestern upbringing, his years of service in Peru, his leadership within the Augustinian order, and his work in the Vatican have shaped him into a humble, compassionate, and visionary leader. His papacy is still in its early days, but his focus on synodality, his commitment to social justice, and his call for a more inclusive church suggests that Pope Leo XIV's legacy will be one of unity, renewal, and unexpected change. He is a pope for our times, a man who understands the challenges and opportunities facing the Church in the 21st century.